Okay, so today our chapter is identities. Okay, so in identities basically there will be some kind of product. Okay, means we have to perform the product. Okay, questions will be given in two separate terms and we have to perform the product. Okay, now based on what type of product it is, we can either write it in terms of some formulas, okay, or we can do the direct multiplication. Okay, so let us see some questions. Okay, so suppose we have a question 2x plus 3 multiply, okay, 5x plus 2. Okay, now see what we have to do here. Whenever two like this kind of terms are there and they are in multiplication, a product, okay, so first of all we will write 2x, okay, this term 2x. Now this 2 multiplies with this whole term, that is 5x plus 2, okay, and then we write this term, that is plus 3. Now we'll write plus 3 and then we'll multiply this 5x plus 2. Okay, now see this 2x multiplies in both 5x and 2 and this 3 multiplies in both 5x and 2. Okay, so see here 2x into 5x, okay, 2x multiplied with this 5x plus, now see we have to be very careful about the sign also, okay, but see in front of this 2x there is plus. Now this plus multiplied by plus, plus into plus is plus, okay, then 2x multiplied by 2. Okay, now let us move to this term. So here there is a plus sign and in front of 5 there is nothing, that means there is plus. Okay, so it will be plus 3 into 5x, okay, again plus into plus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, let us write it 3 into 2. Okay, now we will do the multiplication. Okay, so see 2 into 5, okay, whenever we multiply two algebraic terms like this, first of all we multiply the numeric part, that is the numbers, okay, 2 into 5 that is 10, and then the variable part, that is x into x will be x square. Okay, now this one 2x into 2 is 4x plus 3 into 5x is 15x plus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, so this is 10x square. Now these two are like terms, okay, like terms means the variable part should be same. If two terms have the variable part same, that means they are like terms, so we can always simplify the like terms. Okay, so here we have to add this 4x and 15x, so 4x plus 15x becomes 19x, okay, and plus 6. So this is my answer. Okay, now let us see one more question. Suppose we have a question like this, 3x minus 6 multiplied by 4x plus 2. Okay, now again the same process. First of all we write this term, that is 3x, and then the second term, okay, 4x plus 2. Then we write the second, this one, that is minus 6. We will write here minus 6, okay, and then bracket, then this term, that is 4x plus 2. Okay, now see, so again this 3x multiplies with these two terms and 6 multiplies with these two terms, so it becomes 3x into 4x, okay, plus, now this 3x into 2, okay, then this is minus 6 multiplied by this 4x, okay. Now here you see this minus and plus, minus into plus is minus, so and then it becomes 6 into 2. Okay, so we have to be very careful about the sign. Okay, this minus multiplies by, in front of 4x there is nothing, that means there is plus, so minus into plus, in front of this 4x is minus, okay, and then minus into plus is minus. Okay, and now we will multiply it. So this becomes 3 into 4 12x square plus 3 into 2 6x, and this one is minus 6 into 4 24x and minus 12. Okay, now 12x square. Now see these two are like terms. Okay, now we have to simplify it. Now see in front of 6 there is plus and in front of 24 there is minus, so plus minus is subtraction, sign will be minus because 24 is large. Okay, so 24 minus 6 is minus 18x minus 12. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, 12x square minus 18x minus 12. Okay, okay, now let us see this question. Okay, so again same process. First of all we'll write this 7x, okay, and then this term, that is 2x minus 9, and then we'll write this term, that is minus 3, and then 2x minus 9. Okay, now see, so again this 7x multiplies in both the terms, 7x multiplies in both the terms, and this 3 multiplies in both the terms. Okay, so this becomes 7x into 2x. Okay, now in front of 7 there is plus, so plus into minus is minus, and then 7x into 9. Okay, and see in front of this 2x there is plus, so plus into minus is minus, 3 into 2x. Okay, and this minus and this minus, minus into minus is plus, so here we'll write plus. Okay, 3 into 9. Be very careful, we have to be very careful about the sign. Okay, if sign is wrong then our answers will not match. Okay, so we have to be very careful here. Now first 7 into 2 is 14x square minus 7963x minus 3 into 2 6x plus 9327. Okay, now 14x is square, minus minus addition sign will be negative, so minus 69x plus 27. Okay, so this is my answer. Understood? Okay, now let us see, our next topic is difference of square. Okay, difference of two squares. Okay, so suppose we have a term like this. Okay, a plus b, okay, multiplied by a minus b. Okay, suppose we have this product. Okay, so see what happens. Now we'll follow the same process, that is a multiplied by a minus b plus b multiplied by again a minus b. Okay, now this becomes, now see, this a multiplies in both the terms, so a into a is a square minus a into b is ab, and here it becomes plus ab and plus into minus minus b square. Okay, now you see these two terms are same. Okay, ab and ab, but they have opposite signs, so they will cancel out. Okay, so my final answer will be a square minus b square. Okay, so therefore we can write that is a plus b, okay, multiplied by a minus b is a square minus b square, or I can also write a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now see, because these two are in multiplication, it is not necessary that a plus b always will be the first term. Okay, it is same as, it will be same as a minus b into a plus b, meaning is same. Okay, understood? So a square minus b square is this. Okay, now we'll see some question related to this formulas. Okay, okay, suppose we have this question. Okay, now see here how to identify that we have to use this formula. Okay, now see here we can see that this first term, okay, this first term of this term, okay, there are two terms in product, so the first algebraic term of this term, that is 7x, and this one is also same. You see, this is 7x and this is also 7x. Okay, and the next term is also same, 2 by 3y, 2 by 3y. Okay, and in front of this there is plus and in front of this there is minus. Okay, so this is of the form, this one, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, these two terms are same, a and a, and these two terms are also same, that is b and b, and there is plus and there is minus. Okay, no problem. So we have to use this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That means I can directly write it is 7x square a square minus b square, that is 2y by 3 square. Okay, now we have to simplify it. So 7x square is 49x square minus, this is, now in the numerator also we have to do the square, and denominator we have to also do the square, so it becomes 4y square by 9. Okay, so 49x square minus 4y square by 9. Okay, understood? Very simple. Now let us see one more question. Now see, in this question, the question will say that using identities, okay, using identities solve. Okay, now see, many students what they do, they simply multiply it. Okay, you can multiply it, no problem, you will get the same answer. Okay, if you are using identities or not, okay, you will get the same answer. If you directly multiply it, whatever answer you will get, and if you use identity and then solve it, whatever answer you will get, those two answers will be same. Okay, but the question says that you have to use identities. Okay, that means you have to use some formulas. Okay, we don't have to directly multiply it. Okay, now let us see what we'll do. Now this is 107, so 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Okay, no problem here. See, 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Okay, multiplying. Now this 93 can be written as 100 minus 7. Okay, see, 100 minus 7 is 93. Okay, so 107 can be written as 100 plus 7, 93 can be written as 100 minus 7. Okay, now see, this becomes in this form. Okay, that is a plus b, a minus b. You see, this first term 100 and 100 is same, and the second term, that is 7 and 7, these two are also same, and one has plus sign, one has minus sign. So it is of this formula, a plus b into a minus b. So it becomes a square minus b square, that is 100 square minus 7 square. Okay, a square minus b square. So 100 square is 1 2 3 4, 10,000 minus this is 49. Okay, and then we have to simply subtract it. So on subtraction we'll get 1599. Okay, 9951 is my answer. You can multiply it, no problem, you'll get the same answer. Okay, you can check it. Okay, so our next topic is expansion. Okay, so in expansion what we have, the first formula. Okay, in expansion, now in expansion what will happen, a small binomial, okay, term containing two terms will be given and its some power will be given. Okay, mostly it will be either square or it will be cube. Okay, so we have to expand it. Okay, now let us see. So a plus b, okay, whole square is the formula we have, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, similarly we have a formula for a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third formula which we have, now see, this is important, the third formula is, now we have a trinomial. Okay, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, now whenever a plus b plus c, three terms are there, so the first few terms will be a square plus b square plus c square. Now remember that these three terms, okay, they will always be positive. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, and then the remaining term will be plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now see, next formula will be a plus b minus c. Okay, now a plus b minus c. Now see, the first three terms, that is, it will always be a square plus b square plus c square. Now these three terms will be same, doesn't matter what type of sign each one has. Okay, even if it has plus, all the terms are plus, then also it will be a square plus b square plus c square. If any one of the term is minus, then also it will be a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, and then see that the main difference is here. Okay, now see, in front of a, okay, see, this one is a. Now in front of a there is plus, in front of b there is plus, in front of c there is minus. Okay, now 2ab has a and b. Now a and b both are positive, so it will be plus 2ab. Okay, now second term is b and c. Now b is plus, c is minus, so plus into minus will be minus 2bc. Okay, and the third term is 2ca. Now c and a, so c is negative, a is positive, plus into minus is minus, so minus 2ca. Okay, now see, let us see the next one, that is a minus b minus c square. Okay, now see, here again the first three terms will be a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, and then after that, see, here there is a is plus and b is minus, so plus into minus is minus 2ab. Okay, bc, now b is minus, c is also minus, now minus into minus becomes plus 2bc. Okay, and c is minus, a is plus, so minus plus minus 2c. Okay, so in this way we have to we can actually write all the formulas. Okay, so we have to be very careful about the sign. Okay, remember these first three terms will always be in positive. Okay, the difference is in these three terms. Okay, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Okay, understood? Now we have to see the sign and then we have to write. You can memorize it. Okay, in your book these three formulas are given here, memorize it, no problem. Okay, so first few formulas are this. Okay, and then we will write the formula of cubes. Okay, now first copy this and then we'll move to cubes. Okay, now for cubes we have the first formula, that is a plus b whole cube. Okay, now a plus b whole cube's formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, now the second, now this can also be written as a cube plus b cube. We can open this bracket, we can multiply this, we will get plus 3 a square b plus 3 AB square. Okay, now these two formulas are actually same. Okay, only we have opened the bracket. Okay, we have calculated the bracket by multiplying this to 3AB in both the terms. Okay, both formulas are same. Okay, now the second formula will be of A minus B whole cube. Okay, so A minus B whole cube will be A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. Okay, now when we open the bracket, we will get A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Okay, now again both formulas are same, only we have calculated the bracket. Okay, understood? Copy this and then we'll move to our questions. Okay. Okay, now let us see this question. Okay, so this question is, okay, basically it is A plus B whole square. You see there are two terms, A plus B and whole square. Okay, so A here is 2x and B is 1 by 2x. Okay, so we'll use the formula. The formula for A plus B whole square is A square, that is 2x square, plus 2AB, that is 2 into 2x into 1 by 2x, and plus B square, that is 1 by 2x whole square. Okay, now 2x whole square is 4x square. Now here you can see that this 2x and this 2x cancels out, so 2 into 1 only we have here 2. Okay, this 2x cancels, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, plus now this term is 1 by 4x square. Okay, so this is my answer, that's it. Okay, now let us move to that question. So here we have A plus 2B minus 5C whole square. So it is of the form A plus B minus C whole square. Now let us see, the first three terms will always be the square and they will always be positive. A square plus 2B square plus 5C square. These three terms always will be positive. Okay, now plus, why plus? Because see, in front of A there is plus and in front of this 2B there is plus, so plus into plus will be plus. So 2AB, that is 2 into A into 2B. Okay, and then we have next one. So see, in front of 2B there is plus and in front of 5C there is minus, so plus into minus is minus 2 into 2B into 5C. Okay, and then there will be, see, this CA, so in front of 5C there is minus and in front of A there is plus, so plus into minus is minus 2 into 5C into A. Okay, and then we have to multiply and then solve it. Okay, so A square is A square plus 2B whole square is 4B square plus 5C square is 25C square. Then we have these three terms. Okay, so 2 into A into B, so plus 4AB. Okay, minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20 BC. Okay, and then minus this is 10 CA. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, so we have to simply solve it according to our formula. Okay, while solving these questions in the beginning, you can always take the help of the book. Okay, you can see the formula and then solve it, but later on, okay, you have to memorize the formulas anyways. Okay, because in exam you will not be provided with book. Okay, so you have to memorize the formulas. Okay, remember that. Okay, understood? Copy this. Okay, now let us see application of formulas. Okay, so what is application of formulas? So here what will happen, questions will be based on my formulas. Okay, so whatever expansion formulas we saw, okay, so questions will be based on that. Okay, so we have like many terms are there in that formula, so few terms will be given and we have to think that which formula we should apply to find the whatever they are asking in the question. Okay, now let us see this question. The question says that if A plus B is 8 and AB is 15, so we have to find this A square plus B square. So what we have to do here, now see, if we have to write the formula of A plus B whole square, so we know that A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, which can also be written as A plus B whole square can be written as A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, now see, in this formula, okay, now this is only the formula. Okay, now see here in this formula we can see that A plus B, this value is given 8. Okay, so in place of this we can write 8 square. Okay, and AB is given 15, so this AB is 15, so we have to find this A square plus B square. So A square plus B square plus 2 into 15, we can write like this. Okay, now see, so 8 square is 64 equals to A square plus B square, and 5 into 2, 15 into 2 is 30. Now this 30 will go that side, become subtraction. So 64 minus 30 is A square plus B square. So therefore my final answer a square plus b square will be 64. 30 minus 30 is 34. Okay, so this is the value of a square minus b square. Okay, now let us see some more question. Okay, now let us see this question. So in this question we have a plus b plus c equals to 9 and a square plus b square plus c square equals to 29. We have to find ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so we can see that there are three terms. Okay, so we have to use this formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Now this formula was a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so what we will do in this formula, okay, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square. Now you can see that from these three terms, okay, so from these three terms we can take out 2 common, because 2 is common in each and every term, so we have to take out 2 common. So let us take out 2 common and then becomes ab plus bc plus c. Okay, understood? Now we will put all the values of whatever things are given here. Okay, now you can see that a plus b plus c is given, it is 9. So instead of this we have to write 9 square. Okay, also you can see that a square plus b square plus c square is 29. So for these three terms we have to write 29 plus 2 and then we have to leave this one as it is, because this is the thing which we have to find. Okay, that is ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now we have to solve it. So this is 81 equals to 29 plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now see, this 29 comes this side, it becomes subtraction. 81 minus 29 equals to 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so after subtraction we will get, this one will be 2 and 52. Okay, equals to 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now see, this 2 is in multiplication with this thing, okay, this term. So this 2 comes here, it becomes division. Okay, so it becomes 52 by 2 equals to ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so cancel it, it becomes 26. So therefore we will write, therefore my final answer ab plus bc plus ca is 26. Okay, say this question. Okay, again let us see one more thing what we did here. So first of all we saw the question, okay, whatever question was given, so we saw that there are three terms, so we have to use this formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square b square plus c square plus 2a plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then what we will do, we will take out 2 common from this 3, so we will get ab plus bc plus ca. Now this is the thing which they are asking in the question, we have to find this. So other than this, whatever is given, its value is given here. Okay, so we will put the values and then we will simplify it. Okay, and then we will get our answer. Okay, now let us see one more question. So here we have given, means the question is given, that is if a minus 1 by a is 3, find the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube. Okay, so they are asking the cubes. Okay, so what we will do, we will write the formula of a minus b whole cube. So here a minus 1 by a, because the b is this one, 1 by a, so its cube will be a cube minus b cube, that is 1 by a cube, minus 3ab, that is 3 into a into 1 by a into a minus b, that is a minus 1 by a. Okay, now see, so what will happen here, see, this a and a will get cancelled. Okay, so again I am writing this one as a minus 1 by a whole cube is equals to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a minus 1 by a. Okay, so the question says find a cube minus 1 by a cube, so we have to find this, the value of these two terms. Okay, and you can see that a minus 1 by a's value is given, that is 3. Okay, so what we will do here, in place of this term we will write 3 cube equals to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into, now this a minus 1 by a is 3. Okay, now we will solve it. Now see, 3 cube is 27 equals to a cube minus b cube, a cube minus 1 by a cube, okay, minus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, now see, this minus 9 comes this side, it becomes addition, so 27 plus 9 is a cube minus 1 by a cube, so 27 plus 9 is 6 and it is 36 equals to a cube minus 1 by a cube. So this is my answer, therefore a cube minus 1 by a cube, whatever they are asking the question, it is 36. Okay, so in this way there is this application of formula. Okay, so solve this exercise, solve this question, copy it. Okay, try to solve the examples first. Okay, because solving examples will give you the idea that how to proceed in the exercise. Okay, so first solve all the examples. Okay, understood? Start this exercise. Whatever problem you have, you can always ask. Okay, no problem.